Hi everyone, this is Yuri from Trace Labs, and today I want to give you a glimpse into a solution that we have developed that enables organizations to perform trusted and verifiable denied party screening in a very effortless way. Now, denied party screening is something that each organization that is involved in international trade needs to do. This means they need to check whether any of their international trade partners are on a denied party list, meaning that they cannot do business with them. Now, the problem with these lists is that they are maintained by various government agencies across various governments. They come in all, shapes and sizes, formats, and they're continuously updated. This makes it very difficult for organizations to actually find whether a business partner they are working with or a trade partner is on any of those lists. Now, what we have developed as a solution is based on OriginTrail and artificial intelligence technologies that allows organizations to come and very easily and simply just ask whether a certain organization is on any of the denied party lists that are represented as knowledge assets on the OriginTrail decentralized knowledge graph. So if we look at the interface on the screen, I can go and simply ask, and I'm going to ask whether a specific certain entity that I have listed here is on a denied party list. So we can go ahead. There we go. And while we ask this, what's happening is that the solution is actually going through all of these knowledge assets that are essentially denied party lists to see if Tang Chong Commercial Bank is actually on any of those lists. And then it returns an answer, as we can see on the screen, where we can see that this particular entity is not only on one denied party list, but actually on 3 different ones. So we can see here that that the first one is the consolidated list of persons, groups, and entities subject to EU financial sanctions, and then 2 additional lists that are related to a US State Department and Treasury Department. That means that if you are trying to do business with this organization from the US or EU, you're not allowed to, because they're on these lists. Now we can also actually click on a list. We get links to see the actual source where this particular entry is coming from. So we have that, if we want to go into more details, we can do that easily. So this is, for example, the list from the European Union. If I open the State Department list, I will see that there is actually a list is available here as well. So we get a very concise and easily understandable answer. But we also get all of the sources. And if we want to take it a step further, actually, we can also go and see the source knowledge assets that are actually representing these list entries. So if I click on the source knowledge asset here, which represents the European Union entry into that list, we'll actually see that the knowledge asset is loaded here. You can see more details around that particular entry, around the bank, what is the actual, the actual restriction, what part of what list that particular entry is. So that's the one we opened up in the interface directly. But we can go even further. We can open this knowledge asset that represents the list, and we can also see who actually is the creator of that list. So in this case, if we can open this up, we'll see that the creator of this particular list for financial sanctions is the Director General for Financial Stability, Financial Services and Capital Markets Union. We can also actually open it up and see we get all of these details, but all kind of coming from a very, very simple answer and making this denied party screening list extremely simple for organizations. Now, the cool part and the exciting part is that, of course, you can connect this type of search also to your other supply chain data that is represented as knowledge assets on the decentralized knowledge graph, and then play around with things like automated alerts when a certain list is updated, that for example you want to check if any of your trade partners have been added to any of the lists, and automatically be notified that this happens. So these types of combinations of OriginTrail knowledge assets, which really enable this verifiability and connectivity of data, plus the artificial intelligence AI that enables this type of search to be also very summarized in a very humanized form, is really what makes this solution extremely easy to use, but it also kind of ensuring that it provides a trusted answer and a verifiable answer. Now, hopefully, you've enjoyed this short little demo. And if you think your organization could benefit from a solution like this, feel free, of course, to reach out. Thank you.